Hello everyone, once again welcome you all to this video. In this video I am going to explain the remaining question of exercise 7a. In the previous video we had done till question number 4 of exercise 7a. तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग इसके बाद जो है वो समझने वाले हैं. एंड द फर्स्ट सम विच आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू इज दैट question number 5. Now one thing you have to see here that what a common mistake is made by this student in solving question number 5, which usually most of you also do the same mistake. तो इस तरह के का जो मिस्टेक है वो ना हो इसके लिए आप इसे ज़रूर देखें. The question is this, where you can see that x plus 3 upon 7 minus 2x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to 3x minus 5 upon 5 and minus 25. तो सबसे पहले जो हमें करना है इसमें वो LHS और RHS को सिंप्लीफाई करना है. तो 7 और 3 का LCM हम लेंगे जो कि 21 होगा इस वाले स्टेप में. और 7 3 ज़ा 21, तो जो न्यूमरेटर है x प्लस 3 इसका 3 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो 3x प्लस 9, दिस इज़ ओके. 3 7 ज़ा 21, तो ये जो टर्म है ऊपर में इसका 7 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, बट ये जो माइनस साइन है वो यहाँ पर है. तो माइनस 14x 2 इंटू 7 एंड माइनस प्लस 35, तो ये सही है. और 5 और 1 का LCM 5 होगा, तो ये तो 3x माइनस 5 ही रह जाएगा बिकॉज 5 1 जा 5 होता है, लेकिन 1 इंटू 5 5 होता है, तो 25 इंटू 5 125 होगा. तो यहाँ तक तो ठीक ही है. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप में यू कैन सी 3x माइनस 14x प्लस 9 प्लस 35. x वाले को एक साथ अरेंज किया गया है और यहाँ पर भी वही काम किया गया है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो ओके, देर इज़ नो एनी मिस्टेक. 3x माइनस 14 विल गिव माइनस 11x एंड 9 प्लस 35 विल बी 44, ये भी सही है. 3x माइनस 130/5, ये भी सही है. तो मिस्टेक कहाँ है वो चलिए हम लोग देखते हैं. इस वाले स्टेप में मिस्टेक किया गया है. व्हाट अ मिस्टेक हियर यू सी. अभी जो है वो इस प्लस 44 को राइट साइड में ले आया गया है और माइनस 44 लिखा गया है. दिस इज़ ओनली रॉन्ग, वी कैन नॉट डू लाइक दैट. तो सबसे पहले या तो आप टर्म्स को स्प्लिट कीजिए, उसके बाद लाइए एक एक टर्म को लेफ़्ट से राइट या फिर राइट से लेफ़्ट, नहीं तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई हमें यहाँ पर करना चाहिए. तो इसके बाद मैं यहाँ पर आपको बना करके दिखा रहा हूँ. तो 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 11x प्लस 44 is equal to 21 multiply by 3x minus 130, ये होगा. Now after this step this will be 5 into 11 minus 55x and plus 44 को अगर 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो दिस विल बी 220. 21 3 ज़ा 63x एंड माइनस 130 को इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 21 तो देख लेते हैं कितना आ रहा है. 130 इंटू 21, तो 1 0 ज़ा 0, 1 3 ज़ा 3, 2 0 ज़ा 0, 2 3 ज़ा 6, 2 1 ज़ा 2, तो 0 3 6 1 7 and 2. So this is coming 2730, right? Now in the next step minus 55x and minus 63x is equal to minus 2730 and minus 220, right? After this step this will be added because both the sign are same. तो 5 plus 3 8 and 6 plus 5 11, तो this is coming minus 118x और इधर भी एडिशन ही होगा. तो 2730 में हमें ऐड कर देना है कितना 220 को ऐड कर देना है. तो दिस इज़ कमिंग 0 3 प्लस 2 5 7 प्लस 2 9 एंड 2, सो माइनस 2 9 5 एंड 0. तो माइनस एंड माइनस विल बी कैंसिल फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड. सो x विल बी 2950 divided by 118, and if you divide 2950 by 118 then you see what we are getting 25. So in this way its answer will be 25. So 25 is the answer of this question. So I hope that this is clear. So from here you will not see this. Okay, now let's do the next sum, that is number 6. So question number 6 is also like number 5. यहाँ पर जैसा कि आप देख रहे हो, first we need to simplify the left side and then the right side. तो राइट साइड में तो सिंप्लीफिकेशन के लिए कुछ नहीं है. इसमें देखते हैं कि ये क्या सही है या फिर इसमें भी कोई मिस्टेक किया गया है. First, the LCM of the denominators will be 10 into 7 into 3, 210. It's okay. 210 divided by 10 will be 21. तो 21 से 3x minus 2 का मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है. 7 3 is 21, 0 30, 30 से इसका मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है. And if you divide 210 by 3, you will get 70. तो 70 into 4x minus 7. This is okay, no problem. So this is x minus 1. So now 21 into 3 will be 63x minus 42 minus 30x minus 90. 7 4 जा 28 होता है, तो 280x minus 490 and 210 का x minus 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा. दिस इज क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. और इसके नीचे में डिनोमिनेटर इज 1, तो 1 से अगर इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाई यू विल गेट द सेम थिंग. सो नो नीड टू डू दैट. So 210x minus 210, this step is also okay. So after the simplification, that means if you simplify all the x containing terms and take all the constant term in the right side, तो फिर इस तरह से आएगा. And this calculation I know that this is correct only. So 103x is equal to, you will get 412, and in this way x will come 412 divided by 103, that means 4. So I hope that you have understood number 6. Now let's understand question number 7. This is very simple. 2.8b is equal to 54 plus b. So first we need to bring this b in the left side, so it will be minus b. 54, so 2.8b minus 1b will be 1.8b, and then b will be 54 by 1.8. Now to remove this decimal point we need to multiply it by 10 by 10 because the number is having one decimal place. 1.8 है, तो 540 by 18, and if you cancel the number you will get 30. So this is the answer which is correct. Question number 8 is also in decimal form. 0.26x plus 0.09x is equal to 8 minus 0.45x. So what is the first step to solve any linear equation? First we need to bring all the terms containing the variable in the left side and all the constant term we need to take in the right side, and in this process the sign will change. लेकिन साइन भी चेंज करते समय you do one mistake. अगर प्रोडक्ट के फॉर्म में है एंड देन यू आर चेंजिंग द साइड, या फिर डिवीज़न के फॉर्म में है एंड देन यू आर चेंजिंग द साइड, then you don't change the sign. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल मैं यहाँ पर बता रहा हूँ, कई बच्चे क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे 3x into 4 अगर लिखा हुआ है एंड दिस इज़ इक्वल टू 12, तो अगर आप 4 को इस तरफ ले जाते हो तो यू राइट 12 डिवाइडेड बाय -4 विच इज़ रॉन्ग. तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन के फॉर्म में जब हो और आप साइड चेंज करें तो साइन को चेंज बिल्कुल भी ना करें. 0.26, अब आइए इसको हम लोग समझते हैं. 0.26x, 0.09x एंड माइनस 0.45 जब लेफ्ट में आएगा तो दिस विल बी प्लस 0.45x इज इक्वल टू 8. इफ़ यू ऐड ऑल 0.26, 6.09 and 0.45 you will get 0.80x, and so that x will be 8 by 0.80. So this number is having two decimal places, so we need to multiply it by 100 by 100. So this 8 will become 800, or 0.80 into 100 will be 80, and if you cut this number you will get 10, so that x is 10 here. Question number 9. 1 upon 6 in bracket 4y plus 5 minus 2 upon 3 in bracket 2y plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. This is the question. So first you can open the bracket by multiplying both the terms of the bracket by 1 upon 6. That is done here. So it will be 4 by 6y plus 5 upon 6, because if you multiply 1 by 6 into 5, what you will get here? 5 by 6 only. Similarly minus 2 by 3 into 2y will give minus 4y by 3, and minus 2 by 3 into plus 7 will give you minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. So now 4 by 6y and minus 4y by 3 ये होगा, एंड 5 by 6 और जो माइनस 14 by 3 है वो एक साथ लिखा गया है, एंड 3 by 2. नाउ अगेन आई कैन सी हियर, यहाँ से जो है वो हमें बनाना पड़ेगा, मुझे बनाना पड़ेगा, एंड दिस इज़ कैंसिल विच इज़ रॉन्ग, ये जो है वो नहीं होगा. ठीक है, तो इसके बाद मैं आपको यहाँ पे सॉल्व करके दिखा रहा हूँ. दिस इज़ नॉट डन हियर आई थिंक. सो we need to simplify this too, and for that we will take the LCM of 6 and 3, which will be 6 only. So here will be 4y and 3 2s are 6, so 4 2s are 8y, so 4y minus 8y, and these two numbers I am taking in the right side, so it will be 3 by 2, then minus 5 upon 6 and then plus 14 upon 3. साइड चेंज कर रहे हैं तो साइन जो है वो चेंज होगा. नाउ आफ्टर दिस आई एम डूइंग हियर 4y minus 8y will be minus 4y by 6, and this equal to, take the LCM of all 2 6 3, it will be 6 only, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 6 1s are 6, so it will be minus 5 only, and 3 2s are 6, so 14 2s are 28 होगा, right? Now 9 minus 5 is what, 4, and 4 plus 28 is 32 upon 6. So therefore y will be 32 by 6 into 6 by minus 4. तो 6 and 6 cancel, 4 8s are 32, and in this way y is coming minus 8. So this is the answer, y is equal to minus 8. So I hope that this is clear. Now question number 10, solve the following equation, and question number 10 is 3 upon x plus 1 is equal to 5 upon 2x. Very simple question. We will do the cross product here because there is nothing to simplify in the left side as well as in the right side. So 3 into 2x will be 6x, and 5 into x plus 1 will give 5x plus 5. Now bring this 5x in the left side, so it will be 6x minus 5x is equal to 5, so that x is 5 here. So this is all right. Next is 6 upon 3m plus 1 is equal to 9 upon 5m minus 5m minus 3. So here also we need to do the cross product. So this will be 6 multiplied by 5m minus 3, which will give you 6 5s are 30m plus minus minus 6 3s are 18, 9 3s are 27m plus 9 into 1 is 9. Now bring this 27m in the left side, sign will change. Now similarly, if you take minus 18 in the right side, its sign will also change. So this is correct. So 30 minus 27 is 3m is equal to 27, and so that m is 9 here, so it's absolutely correct. The next is number 12. Here also we will do the cross product because nothing to simplify in the left as well as in the right. So 11 into 2 will be 22x plus 11 into 3 33. Similarly 5 4s are 20x plus 5 9s are 45. So 22x, and when this 20x will come in the left, it will become minus 20x, and similarly when this 33 will go in the right side, it will be minus 33. So it's all right. 22x minus 20x will be 2x, and 45 minus 33 will be 12. So that x is 6 here. So correct. Next number 13 is 5x minus 7 upon 3x is equal to 2. So here also we will do the cross product. So 5x minus 7 into 1 and 3x into 2. So 5x minus 7 into 1 will be 5x minus 7 only, but 3x into 2 will give 6x. So 5x minus 6x, and when this minus 7 will come this side in the right side, it will be plus 7. Now 5x minus 6x is minus x, that is equal to 7. So therefore x is equal to 7. So this is the answer. Now we'll understand question number 14, where you can see that the question is given in a decimal form. You know, the numbers are decimal numbers, so no problem. We will do the cross multiplication here, 5 into this and 7 into this. So if you multiply 5, okay, this I am doing here, okay. So if you multiply 5 into 0.4, it will be 2z. There was a mistake, there was written 0.20z, so it will be 2z minus 5 3s are 15, this equal to, if you multiply 7 into 1.5z, so it will be 10.5z, and 7 into 9 is 63. Okay, so 2z, then when 10.5z will come this side, it will be minus 10.5z, and 63 plus 15, right? So now 2z minus 10.5z will be minus 8.5z, and this equal to 78. Okay, 538617. So z is coming 78 upon minus 8.5. Now to remove the decimal point, you need to multiply it by 10 by 10. So it will be minus 780. Minus I have taken in the numerator place, as we know that that is the standard form of a fraction, divided by 85. So now we need to divide 780 by 85. So let's do 780 divided by 85 is coming 9.176. 9.176. So minus 9.176, and if you round off this number, then this will be minus 9.18. Okay, approx you can write here. So minus 9.8 is the answer for this question. I hope this is clear. Next we will do question number 15. So here you can see the equation is in this form. So here also we will do the cross product. So x minus 2 we have to put in a bracket, and here also we have to do the same thing. Now multiply x into x square. Now minus 2 into x, I think this is also not correct, so I have to do here. So this will be x minus 2 into x minus 2, and is equal to x plus 4 into x minus 4. Okay, so after this we will find the product of these two. So this will be x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square, and this will be a plus b into a minus b, that means x square minus 4 square, right? So x minus 2 whole square will be a square plus b square minus 2ab, so 2 into 2 4x. Okay, and here this side will be x square minus 4 square is 16. So x square plus 4 minus 4x is equal to x square minus 16. Now from both the side x square and x square will cut. So now there will remain minus 4x, and minus 16 is in the right side, and when we will bring this 4, then it will also be negative. So minus 4x is equal to minus 20, and so that x will be minus 20 upon minus 4. So therefore x is coming 5. So this is the answer, x is equal to 5, and I hope that now this is clear. This was question number 15. Children, in today's class we will be doing till this much only. That means I have explained you till question number 15. In the next video I will explain you few more question from this exercise 7a, and then I will explain you exercise 7b also, which is the most important things. I hope that the sums which I had explained you in today's class, that is clear to you, and then also if you have any problem, any doubt,